Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to remove Chevy Cruze fender updated. Park the car on level ground, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and gather a ratchet, sockets, trim tool, and gloves. Start by removing the wheel and inner splash shield to expose fasteners. Keep bolts organized and take pictures to help with reassembly. Work methodically, test fit the new fender, and tighten bolts to manufacturer specs for a clean finish. Begin by loosing the lug nuts, lifting the vehicle with a jack, and securing it on stands for safety. Remove the wheel to access the fender area, and then remove the inner splash shield by unfastening clips and screws. Keep each fastener set in separate labeled bags and photograph their locations for reassembly. Work slowly around the wheel well to avoid breaking fragile clips and to maintain proper alignment for the new fender. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that stack well, seal tightly, and resist spills for long commutes. They save time between jobs and keep toolshed snacks intact, which I find handy during projects. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Open the hood to access top fender bolts and carefully remove bolts along the bumper, door jamb, and fender edge in a consistent sequence. As you loosen bolts, keep the fender supported to prevent sudden drops and paint damage. Detach any attached wiring or liners and set the fender aside on a soft surface. Inspect mounting points for rust or damage and clean them before fitting the replacement fender to ensure proper alignment and fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.